The RMG project is about moving 4 completely assembled rail-mounted gantry cranes from Poland to New York City in order to remove waste via containers at 2 different sites.
Each of the 25-meter-high RMGs weighs 300 metric tons, and they were all carried on board MV Happy Delta to the Bayonne terminal in New Jersey.
Once the ocean vessel arrives in Bayonne, we will be discharging 1 crane to each barge. Those barges will then be brought up the East River, past the Statue of Liberty,
followed by traversing the iconic Brooklyn and Manhattan Bridge, before eventually arriving at the first offloading location at East 91st Street.
At the East 91st Street facility, it's extremely congested. There's a lot going on in a small area, a lot of heavy equipment, machinery. We actually have a unique crane that's a full rotating crane, so that way we can actually have the crane and the barge out of the way of river traffic while we're performing this lift.
However, Deugro had to make sure the load-spreading devices were placed in the exact position on the barges in order to match the bogies of the RMG cranes.
The margin of error between the rails on the load-spreading devices and the legs of the gantry crane is less than ½ inch or 12.7 millimeters.
The other 2 RMGs are headed to a facility in southwest Brooklyn. On the way, the tug captain's going to have to be very wary of commuter traffic from ferries, as well as wakes from ferries that actually enter into the facility while we're positioning and making the final lifts.
Through creative thinking, thorough engineering, and teamwork throughout each stage of the project, Deugro successfully and safely delivered all 4 RMGs to their destinations.
Safety is the utmost importance to Deugro. We perform detailed engineering analysis to ensure that these critical lifts were done properly and within safe working tolerance. This project is such a rewarding and fulfilling project because of the amount of time, effort, and engineering that have gone into it.
Together with our sister company, D-Tech, Deugro has been able to provide detailed engineering, stow, and lift plans that significantly raise the level of service to our client. Deugro is your partner for the most complex projects. With an extensive network of more than 70 offices in over 40 countries worldwide, our clients benefit from global coverage and local expertise at every major industrial hub.
Seeing this project be completed in the manner that it is really rewarding.
Deugro, minds over matter.